Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected, parallel twin 650cc. This bike is in fantastic condition. It only has 15 miles on it. That's right. The person bought it and their lifestyle changed. They never rode it. 15 miles on this gorgeous showroom condition 650 Vulcan S. Price to sell, just $54.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This is the Ergo Fit model. You can change the seat, handlebar, and foot pegs to meet your body type. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.